Carruthers and Stifel Nichols. Good morning, Scott Carruthers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right. We had pullback finally after a nice run. What happened yesterday?
Yes, yesterday the Dow was down 32 points and closed at 22,841. We were up early in the day, but the gains faded, and we ended with a small loss. We had good economic numbers and good earnings from J.P. Morgan, but it was not enough to keep the market higher. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to 2.32%.
All right, there you go. That's that. What about first-time jobless claims?
Right. First-time jobless claims fell for the second week in a row and came in at 243,000. First-time jobless claims have remained below 300,000 for over 2.5 years. Now, that's the longest stretch since the 1970s. A separate report showed continuing claims dropped to the lowest number since December of 1973.
How about that? That's good news. All right. What about AT&T?
Let's see. Now, AT&T said their video subscriber base fell by about 90,000 customers in the third quarter. Now, this is the third quarter in a row where they lost video subscribers. However, their DirecTV Now, which stream channels over the Internet, gained 300,000 new accounts. AT&T has about 25 million video subscribers, so it's going to be interesting to see how many of those switch to the streaming. So,
by the way, one of those 300,000 is me.
Is you switching over to
the streaming,
DirecTV Now?
The streaming, yeah, and I'll never go back. I have crossed the Rubicon. I'm never going back.
So it's working pretty well for you?
It works great for me. You know, you have to reset it once in a while, but other than that, it's fine. And not having a DVR is a little bit annoying. But you know what? You go to the NBC app and you can watch This Is Us the next day. So it's worth it to save $125 a month. So
that's probably true.
Right. Yeah. All right. That's AT&T. What about Bayer? What are we hearing from them?
Now, Bayer is selling part of its crop science business to BASF for $7 billion. The deal is contingent on Bayer buying Monsanto, which still faces regulatory approval, but is expected to close early next year. Bayer will use the proceeds to refinance part of the original deal to buy Monsanto.
Oh, interesting. All right. And then markets today as we end out the week.
As we end out the week, today the Dow looks flat. We get a few more financial earnings today, and the next 3 weeks we'll be very busy with earnings. This is typically the best quarter for earnings of the year, so let's see how they come up.
All right, good. Scott Carruthers, have yourself a good weekend. We'll do it all again on Monday. Thanks.
Sounds good. Thanks, bro.
6:43 here, Big 550.